Okay, today I'm going to replace the cabin filter on my 2017 Golf Sportwagen. Just have to open up and look in here, and there's some tabs. One on this side right up here, and then on the other side right up here. Push those in. The glove box will fall down. There's an arm over on the right side, and the glove box will be held in by that. You do not need to remove that. I mean, you can try to figure out how to pop it off, but you have enough room in here to fit and get the filter. The filter's in here in the back, and so there's just these tabs. Get the light on it. There's one here in the middle. There's one on each side, so there's one over here. That's pretty dark, but they're all the same. So you push down on them and you pull towards you. There, and you'll feel it kind of snap off. So now I just need to do the last one, and then that panel will pop loose, and you pull it up, and you take it out. Then you can get at the filter right there. And pull that out. Just mark which direction the airflow goes down. So just remember that when you put the new one in. Okay, push the new filter back in and make sure the airflow markings are pointed the right way. And then just take that front cover, seat it into the bottom. Clips, make sure it's in each of the 3 clips in the bottom. And then push it to the top. And it will snap in place, and then you're done. And that's a wrap on that video. It's pretty easy, and I'll see you in the next one.